Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your chat on WhatsApp. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to lock your chat on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. It will display the message section of your WhatsApp. Choose the message or chat and click on it. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the View Contact option. Scroll down and press on Chat Lock option displayed on the screen. It will keep your chat locked and hidden. You can use your fingerprint to open this chat and read the notifications. Slide the button to lock the chat with fingerprint. This is how you can lock your chat on WhatsApp application. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.